हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज समर फ्रॉम होम बॉलीवुड और आज हम आ गए हैं कॉकटेल 2 की ग्रैंड ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे। कॉकटेल 1 हैज़ बीन अ सक्सेसफुल मूवी जहाँ पे सैफ अली खान, रियाना पेंटी एज वेल एज दीपिका पादुकोण का कैरेक्टर काफ़ी पसंद आया था लोगों को। अभी हाल ही में सॉन्ग लॉन्च हुए थे कॉकटेल 2 के, जहाँ पे कृति सेनन, रश्मिका मंडना और शाहिद कपूर साथ में मौजूद थे एंड द सॉन्ग्स वर अमेजिंग। सॉन्ग्स वर डन अमेजिंगली और प्रमोशनल इवेंट्स वर ऑल्सो डूइंग वेरी नाइसली। आज हम ग्रैंड ट्रेलर लॉन्च में मौजूद हैं जहाँ पे हमें ट्रेलर दिखाया जाएगा। साथ ही साथ वी आर हैविंग दिस 2 सरप्राइज सॉन्ग्स एज वेल जो कि लॉन्च होंगे आज हमारे साथ। सो आज हमारे साथ जो भी स्टार्स जुड़ने वाले हैं उनको देखने के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहिए और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी होगा, देयर विल बी एन इंटरेक्शन विद द मीडिया एज वेल। सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर मोर अपडेट्स ऑन दिस चैनल।
माशूका तीर तेरी नजरों का तो कभी ना चूका माशूका ओ मैं माशूका तीर तेरी नजरों का ना कभी चूका। Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Wow, just when I thought I could do this for karaoke. Okay, speaking of chemistry, Rashmika, Shahid, I have to ask you for real, you guys, there is no way this was your first film together. Was it? No, there was no, was this your first? That's what I'm saying. There's Kriti, would you like to call her?
Well, I think I've met her.
You want to go? No. You can't leave, y'all.
I think we should get her and we'll get her to you.
So clever. And once again, you leave me alone on the stage. Okay, I will. Give it up for Tujhko, everyone. This is the Delulu I was scared of. Not only do you make us fall in love, but you make everybody think that they can fall in love to that soundtrack. Guys, please. Talking about guys, come on, let's hear it for Jab Talak. We are gonna be doing this Goa style. Like I told you, मैं अभी गोवा से आई हूँ and I can promise you हर beach club में this is popping off. I can't go to sleep without it. Running through my head, I can't wake up without it and I am not complaining. Plus we have our superstars here and you.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Summer anthem है यार, थोड़ा dance वांस. All right, let's have the track now. थोड़ा सा, चलो हम गरम कर देते हैं फिर. Okay, everyone, जिनके हाथ busy नहीं हैं, can do this.
Asa Mahabanti Asa. That was no wonder this is a certified banger, y'all.
Thank you so much. I'd like to give a shout out to Arijit Singh, obviously, who's sung, but आज बहुत ही खूबसूरत आवाज हमारे साथ है Asa, who's filling in for him. I feel like, don't you think कि ये थोड़ा incomplete है without the
Man, I couldn't stop moving and I'm pretty sure I'm getting it wrong.
I feel like, but the only person who's mastered it.
Your words, not mine.
Don't you think we should have the step? I feel like all three of them did such a beautiful
I
job
would
with
love
the
that. I
steps.
would literally die if they did the step right now.
All right, I think whenever they come back,
Grand finale style.
Grand finale.
Okay.
They're gonna come
Okay,
back and
okay,
feature.
we're here for that. We're here for that. But thank you so much. Guys, all the music is now on all the platforms. Please go ahead and stream. Not all. I'm cheating. But we will see what's in store because surprises khatam nahi hue. Thank you so much.
Thank
Please
you.
give it up for Asa Mahabanti and Akasa.
दोस्तों की वही कहानियां सुन सुन के हम पक जाते हैं, लेकिन प्यार उस फटी हुई टी शर्ट की तरह होता है जिसमें हम रोज रात सुकून से सोते हैं। और जब प्यार दोस्ती बन जाता है दोस्ती में प्यार का रंग मिल जाता है, तो इससे बचने का एक ही सोल्यूशन रह जाता है।
Like a threesome?
अब जब भी घंटी सुनाई देगी तो अलग ही घंटी होगी मेरे दिमाग में. A lot of things are going to be ruined, but I'm here for it, you guys. This is going to be a wild ride, like you said, a fucking crazy ride. क्या लगा ट्रेलर देख के यार? Look at you.
Hostess said it. Rashmika didn't say anything. It was her.
What did I do? Okay. Okay, I swear I have no idea what's going to be happening in this movie, but if this trailer is anything to go by, I feel seen as a red flag, a proud red flag. I think we're all going to get to see a little bit more of what can happen. Okay, I have a few questions. Dinesh, can we start with you?
Yeah, of course.
So you said that हमने ऐसी कोई story पहले देखी नहीं है. This is absolutely fresh, but it's also relevant. You said, right? What do you think has changed in like love and friendships now?
I think the current youth wants more connect. I think they're a lot more organic in everything, including what they eat. I think everyone is relying less on other highs and letting love be the biggest high. And I think this film gives love hope, and I think that's what's cool about it. Like the first one had a lot more, had a very intense second half. This second half is very, very unconventional. So, but like I said, I'm not going to say much. You got to buy a ticket.
Well, you have my money already. Like literally, my scanner is out somewhere. But speaking of the first cocktail, it was such a huge success. Were you ever like scared of making the next one? Did you almost not make it?
I wouldn't say we didn't make it. We took 13 years to make it, so most people would be out of work by then. But I think you should make a film when, like we always say, you cannot not make the film. So when Love narrated it, we knew we had to make it. And I must tell you, this was the quickest casting in history. I was talking to Shahid. I remember I was at my balcony and I told him, this, there. You're a great actor, but here you have to have fun. And he said, yeah, I'm on. And same happened with these two. So I think it was the easiest film to cast. It was a fun ride, right? So, homie, I want to ask a question. Did you prefer shooting Cocktail 1 or Cocktail 2? I said I'll make the questions a little more interesting.
Ooh. I was
Masala
younger
chahiye,
then.
masala.
I was younger then. I had a better time shooting this one.
Are you being politically
You don't
correct?
have a choice.
No,
Woo!
because I live in the moment and this is my moment right now.
Rashmika, what about you? Which cocktail did you enjoy more?
In the first one.
Oh, I didn't know. Rashmika, say something. Don't you all want Rashmika? I know the Paps love her. She should say something more, na? Go. Come on, Rashmika. I know you.
What should I say? You ask a question, I'll answer.
Have you ever been in a love triangle?
No.
शादी हो गया है नो मैं पास्ट की बात कर
No,
रही हूँ.
no, no. I have not had this love triangle situation.
What was the
So
cocktail
this
you
was my
had
first.
in your wedding?
Huh?
What's the cocktail you had in your wedding?
I actually didn't drink at my wedding. I was just too busy partying.
We made up for it.
Yeah.
We
They made up for
made up
it.
Okay, I want to ask Shahid something. घिसी हुई t-shirt या brand new hoodie? Shahid, I love you.
Love you. Thank you so much.
Comfort or excitement? If you just had to pick one.
Kisi हुई t-shirt for sure. I only sleep in kisi हुई t-shirts. I cannot sleep in anything that looks new or naya or like I need very old comfortable clothes. So that's a line that I really resonated with. I was like, ये तो मेरी life है. So 100% kisi हुई t-shirt.
Wow, I wasn't talking about sleeping, but since we are there, Kriti, have you ever been in a love triangle since you asked Rashmika that?
What does that have to do with sleeping?
I think the
What are you
movie
trying
will
to
tell
say?
us more. You're giving away too much.
She was just trying a smooth transition.
हाँ, subtle में.
Let it be.
Help
there.
me out here. Dinesh has already taken us off track. I love this.
Well, I think जब मैं school में थी तो I had a crush on my really close friend's crush. So it wasn't really, but I didn't do much about it. I wasn't like Ali. क्योंकि हम ना अच्छे दोस्त हैं. यहाँ पे हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं इतने. So उतने भी अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं, you know.
So I didn't know much about it, but yeah, I had a crush. But good, I didn't go for it because that guy turned out to be a bit of a red flag.
You had a crush on a crush's crush.
I had a
Or is
crush
the
on my best friend's crush.
Girl, okay, that's the tea right there.
I didn't do anything about it.
That's
It's-
cocktail one story, by the way.
Oh, all that happened in a head. It never really happened in life. Like, so we're discussing hypothetical. तेरा hypothetical है, कुछ हुआ नहीं.
मैंने कुछ किया
And
नहीं.
from a boy's point of view, I think a cocktail is when actually there are two girls involved in life, not in our head, no?
It could be in your head also.
Did it ever happen like?
No,
did
nothing
you ever-
happened between.
Never
no,
in a
no.
triangle actually.
No, 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 no. I just had a crush. Like I was a baby, you know. I just like crushed on him.
Shahid,
and
have
that's
you
about
got stuck in a
Such
triangle?
nice, sweet people on this stage.
Yeah, I
really
think
can't
Shahid
talk
has
about-
got stuck in a couple of
I really
triangles.
can't talk about it.
I think you must give us
It
something
is very
spicy
politically
here.
correct for a film that we're trying to make very real and raw and organic. Everybody's very politically correct, so I will also say never. मेरे तो मन में भी ख्याल नहीं आया था.
He didn't do a triangle, he did, what is it called? Hexagon.
मेरा circle था मैं, you know. Started from the same place and ended in the same place.
क्या बात.
It's life.
That's an LIT situation then. But if we're talking about triangles being hypothetical, then real life would be a threesome, right? Has anyone on this stage had a threesome?
कौन
Has
बोला
anyone
ये?
on this
Of
stage
course,
had a threesome?
everybody here is going to tell you when they've not answered the triangle question.
I was trying to catch you off guard.
tell the
Everyone's
press
trying to be
what we've
really
done.
spilling it.
I
Somebody
think you're
back
on the
there
wrong
said.
stage right now.
No,
I
but
really
somebody
feel
back there
so.
said yeah.
You guys seem to know so much about this. I feel like the kid.
There was some banda
should
there
ask
who
the
said
audience.
yeah. Who's the yeah? Who said yeah? Almost like you're like in the middle of it right now. कौन था भाई? हाँ? कौन बोला? है ना? कौन बोला? चाचा.
पीछे से आवाज आया.
शशा. अरे शशा. कौन थ्री थे? तुम्हारे ख्याल और तुम्हारी तन्हाई.
Love, what is it about just a two-person love story that is just not enough for you?
It's actually my first triangle that I've written.
Really? A true triangle?
ना मैंने लिखा है ना तरुण ने लिखा है. तरुण और मैंने पहला लव ट्रायंगल लिखा है. इससे पहले ट्रायंगल कभी नहीं लिखा है.
उसमें दो लड़के और एक लड़की थी ना आपका जो पिछला ट्रायंगल था.
हाँ उसमें
मोहब्बत दो लड़कों के
romance
बीच
था.
थी.
ये एक्चुअल एक लड़का दो लड़की की पहली फिल्म लिखी है मैंने.
But how is that different?
How is that different? It's different because आपको दो अलग अलग तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स और उनके प्यार के साथ खेलने को मिलता है.
खेलने को?
हाँ मतलब एज अ राइटर तो आप खेल ही रहे होते हो ना. और सब
Very first question is for you, Disha Desai. You said you were there standing on the balcony when you decided that it's Shahid. Is it like really you were standing on the balcony when you decided that it's Shahid, Kriti and Rashmika to be casted?
इससे तेरी लाइफ को क्या फर्क पड़ता है वो कहाँ खड़ा था यार?
Actually, you know,
Very interesting.
Shahid lives across my building.
Wow.
So I was thinking, हम दिख गया मुझे, इसलिए cast. Is that a better story?
Yeah.
I think it's better. You can write that.
Kriti, my next question
Hi.
is for you.
कृति हमारे बिल्डिंग में ही होती है तो हम उसको कास्ट कर लेते हैं.
Yeah. Please say.
So my question is, you've literally raised the temperature in Mashuka. Like you're my spirit animal.
Oh, wow.
You're like the carefree person, the carefree character I have seen. How was the experience flaunting beautifully your body in the movie and even in Mashuka? We loved
I
it.
must say it was a very tough experience because I wasn't getting to eat much and I was for the first time in my life on a very strict diet, that too in Italy. And I think Shahid can vouch for the fact that I was extremely cranky and hangry all the time. So yeah, I mean everything is worth it. I hope so. Now that you're saying that Ali is feeling like your spirit animal, I hope everything is worth it. Yeah.
Of course, lived with these people, and you know, there was all
Which
the
people?
fun. The trio I'm talking about, Shahid, Kriti and Rashmika. So I want to know what are the quirks about them that you actually had to, you know, just be with, and you were like, okay, this is something I'll have to deal with every day.
You should start by saying who was the easiest actor to work with.
Ooh. I'd have to say Shahid was the easiest to work with. He was. Sorry, girls. But for various reasons. But anyway, won't get into that. Their quirks while shooting, I can tell you. these are the small things I've noticed. Shahid, when he's flustered, will start blinking madly. And you know something else is going on in his head because he's just constantly like this.
And you always come and tell me, stop blinking.
Stop blinking.
Everything will be fine, just stop blinking.
Yeah. Kriti has a question in a non-question also. So she will ask you 1 million questions, which I like. I like actors who ask questions. But Kriti will also try and put her point across to you when she knows I'm not going to listen, as if it's my idea.
There's no harm in trying, you know.
No harm in trying. And Rashmika is a live wire, fantastic actor between action and cut, after which she falls into deep sleep. We never see her. When we're eating during the shoot, whenever we have non-stuff left,
Homie, you're being
she's
rude.
sleeping.
I have seen her 3 times. I came always on the treadmill.
That was in the shot. That was in the shot. Otherwise, but yeah. So she's a different animal when you say action, and then she's a ghost after cut.
You know, actually, I have played a robot with Shahid, but in life, she's the robot because I don't know how she functions. She has a huge battery life because she still is able to function after doing 10,000 things every day.
Hi Shahid.
Hi.
Hi Rashmika and Kriti. Rashmika, Peli Roju Shubhakankshulu.
Thank you.
You are such a beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
My question is for Rashmika.
You mean in the trailer, right? She's also a bride in the trailer.
Oh, she was killing when.
So
as
she
a
loved her
young
as a
bride.
bride in the trailer. Going on.
Lovely, lovely. So my question is, you know, your previous film, when we talk about Chava, the girlfriend, oh I loved the girlfriend as well, amazing. And they have been bit on the heavier side. And now Cocktail happens to be the lighter version. So what made you pick Cocktail 2?
Dinu sir, Love sir, Homie sir, the whole gang. As in, I had to come with her. No, but honestly, I was really scared because this is by far the most urban I've looked in cinema. And because of my films thus far, I feel like the audience sort of somewhere expect a very serious, dramatic sort of performance from me. But for the first time, I've done something this lighthearted, which is specifying on friendship, the madness, the love. For me, initially I was like, is this the right move to make? But at the same time, because I've never done something like this before, I had to do it. Because I feel like the audience are also looking for something surprising, something new, something very different. And that was one of the main reasons why I thought it was a perfect fit.
Also, was it easier?
No. Filmmaking is not easy, my love. I feel like no films can be easy, but definitely the people who you're working with can make it very light for you, very memorable for you, and this was one such.
Thank you.
Hi, Shahid, back at your journey from having made your debut in this situation to now headlining Cocktail 2. How does this special moment feel for you, and how does it feel to anchor this kind of a project?
The college portions make me feel very embarrassed. I almost want to apologize to my children because I know when they grow up, you know, they'll be like, Dad, you were 45 when you're doing that? Like, why? So, but I must say that, you know, I still enjoy doing all types of things. As an actor, you know, your primary job is not to be yourself. You know, that anybody can do that. It's to do things that might seem very far-stretched. You know, there are actors who play much older themselves, actors who have to play younger. But, I mean, it's just fun, man. I actually wondered, before I started this film, what will I be able to bring to a film like this, and whether I'll be repeating myself. But by the end of the film, I actually thought to myself that why haven't I done this in so long? Because I had such a good time doing it. But I don't think it would be possible if I did not have, say, a Dinu think about me, you know, because I live across, you know, so that was just good luck. So he didn't, you cannot give that credit to him. But, you know, having Homie as a filmmaker who brought something new out of me, who was not interested, you know, I don't think he's seen more than half our films. And that really helps. You know, yeah, he said none, right? So that really helps because, you know, I think for him, he doesn't care what we've done before and he's looking for his character, and that actually helps us do something new. And I don't think I could have done it without Rashmika and without Kriti. I think they are an amazing cast for this film, and it's really the energy of everybody that's showing in the film. It's not about any individual.
Shahid, you want to say something about Preetham?
ये आ गए हैं, ये हमेशा लेट हैं,
The
इन्हें माफ
fourth
कर दो.
person. This is the fourth person in the threesome. Preetham.
Preetham is late because he's got a surprise for you. He's going to show you one more song today. Correct, Preetham? A song that even the actors have not seen. So it should be fun. You can show one or two, whatever you like. You decide.
The trailer looks very fun. My question is to Shahid and Homi. My first question is to Shahid. Shahid, you make Kunal look so easy. You make it look so easy. This is your home turf. And as Rashmika was saying that this is a character which is, all your characters are very urban, playful. But despite you making it look so easy, no performance is easy actually. So while you were shooting for the film, was there any scene where you were a little skeptical of, and when it was approaching, you were like, how to do that scene, how to convert it?
I mean, I was skeptical before we started, but I think the first day, Homi just made some expressions and showed me. You know, and I was like, अब अगर यही करना है तो फिर सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बस निकल जाते हैं इस राइड के ऊपर. And कुछ अच्छा हो गया, bro, because he completely broke the stereotypical approach that an actor has, and that's why I keep picking his name again and again. He'll get tired, he gets very embarrassed. Everything Kunal is because of Homi. I would say all of us.
Yeah, absolutely. So one last question.
My second question is for Homi. Homi, all your films, right from Being Cyrus to Cocktail, all the female characters have had strong agency. Though they're very pretty, beautiful, glamorous, but they also are very powerful. While writing all these characters, these layered characters, who do you take inspiration from, and do you discuss it with your wife also? Because she's also one.
From my wife? No, I mean, yes, from my wife, but also I just feel I've been privileged enough to work with extremely strong women from the beginning, from when I started. So, I mean, for a strong woman to come in and inhabit a character, it's much easier for me. I think I managed to showcase the female characters in my film like the way I do because I have the privilege of their trust. I would never compromise how I showcase them and how they show their abilities in the film. So I think, yeah, it's a mix of trust and also the fact that they are already strong, beautiful women. So, yep, mix of those two.
He also doesn't shy away from showing the, let's just say, the more emotional, the softer side of his hero. That's the first thing that I picked up from him. He doesn't like very aggressive men. He doesn't like men who are typically male in a very typical manner. And that also reconstructs the males for him, which is very interesting.
Nilesh sir,
Makes sense. Congratulations, guys.
Ji.
Nilesh sir, yeah.
Haan.
On your right, this is Kamisha from Bollywood.
Hi.
On your left.
हाँ जी.
Kamisha from Bollywood Helpline.
Ji.
First of all, congratulations. This looks amazing. Thank you for giving us this trio. You know, 13 साल पहले we had these three. ये हमारी Gen Z का trio है, I would like to say. So thank you so much. And वो time में Cocktail was an emotion, you know. Cocktail 2 के गाने अभी तो इतने hit हैं. We had a whole ass concert, you know. I'm really sorry, but
No, Rashmika knows that language.
we all know. So Preetham da के साथ, how are you planning to create that magic again with the whole album? Because अभी हमने 3 गाने देखे, but there's more coming on the way.
So now, where's Preetham Da? Come here.
My question is,
So Preetham Da is the most, he's an option king. So he gives you so many options. Like even today there'll be, behind you can go and open there'll be A, B, C, D. Now the team is confused which one to play. But the thing is he doesn't give up. And I think that's what we have in common. I believe with Maddock, not just me, all these lovely people here, they keep going at it till the best possible product comes out. Cocktail was the first film Maddock made. It built us. And you know, then there's been a long journey. And when you say it's an emotion, it's great. I hope we live up to it. But there are 2 people outside of Love and Homi who built Cocktail. One is Preetham and one is Anayata Shroff Adjania there. Because, come up. She's the one who made she's also common. She made Deepika, Saif and Diana look the way they did, and now these three are also thanks to her. So it's not just Homie. So Shai is giving a lot of credit. So I said behind every good-looking man, there's an even more good-looking woman. Yeah.
Homie sir, I want to ask one last thing. वो ट्रायो की जब हम बात करते हैं, it would be like kind of unfair we don't bring them up here, you know. रश्मिका, कृति और शाहिद सर में कितनी दीपिका, डायना और सैफ सर की कितनी झलक है हमारे नए ट्रायो में. While writing, how much did you keep that in mind?
Love wrote. Love should answer this. Love answer that.
Love sir,
But I don't think
Since you've been asking Homie questions about writing, Love is just
नहीं, उनकी कोई झलक नहीं है उनमें, क्योंकि अगर उनकी झलक होती तो सेम फिल्म बन जाती ना फिर तो नए कैरेक्टर्स हैं, नए लोग हैं, इसलिए नई फिल्म है.
Also, the conflict is new. Cocktail was just, you know, a vibe and about, like you said, two people falling for the same person, right? Whereas this cocktail has a very strong plot point, like Love does most of the time, which we've not revealed. So we'll give you a little bit more when you come into the theatre. And the good part is you can watch it with everybody.
And I think this is actually, even though it's a very international looking film, I think this is closer to home for me as a subject. I think it's very relatable, very warm, very Indian in its heart in terms of the reality and the truth of the emotion. और जिस सोसाइटी में हम रहते हैं वहाँ पे कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए, कैसे करना पड़ता है और महसूस क्या होता है. I think all that has been covered very interestingly.
शाहिद का ससुराल भी दिल्ली है और इस पिक्चर का ससुराल भी दिल्ली है. So full second half is Delhi.
My question is for Love and Ankur.
Hail Mogambo. He's
How
back.
was it collaborating with Maddox for the first time?
Second time. तेरी बातों में उलझा दिया.
Who's she asking?
Love and Ankur.
I think she's asking Love
Yeah.
for his
Both,
first
Love and Ankur
collaboration.
both, yeah.
And Ankur, yeah.
Because it feels like a big partnership.
Collaboration is the need of the hour. We can play on each other's strength, and in this case, Dinu and Maddox has been around much longer than we have, so we only got to benefit out of the relationship.
See, there is no school of producing, right? So the only way you can learn producing is by collaborating with people who are senior. He's not too old, but he's much senior. And what works also is the fact that he's also first generation producer. So there are things that you can, ask him, learn from him, which are not those same problems are not faced by second generation producers. So for us, it was more about the fact that we get to learn more, we get to know new things.
हेलो या
के सामने शाहिद डिड यू थिंक आप इस फिल्म के बहुत ही लकी एक्टर हैं? 3 सैम भी मिलता है, घंटी भी बजाने को मिल जाती है आपको.
बेटा दूर से ये सब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थ्रीसम वीसम तू तब तक सो रहा था. थ्रीसम की वर्ड्स तू पिकअप करता है. इसको डिजिटल टीम में रखना चाहिए. ही पिक्स अप की वर्ड्स. वो तो देख ले फिल्म में क्या क्या मिला है, क्या नहीं मिला है.
I want to clarify, there is no physical threesome in the film, it's only emotional threesome. It's a family film.
He's very disappointed.
हेलो या
He's not willing to accept it. नहीं लव ऐसे ही बोल रहा है उसको.
हेलो या my question is Shahid, Rashmika and Kriti and Shahid are yes in front of you.
Follow the blue mic.
Yeah, Kriti and Rashmika, I just don't know, Shahid is always very witty, good sense of humor, good timing. On the screen also and off the screen also. How was your experience when it was during the shoot?
That's why we cast him.
So this is my second film actually with him. Honestly speaking, it was lovely being a human being with him this time. And I really got to react off him. तेरी बातों में I remember मैं हर बार शाहिद को बोलती रहती थी, I just feel so stuck, I'm not able to react to you. And he's someone who improvs a lot, and I love actors like that because there's so much you can feed off them. So I had a lot of fun finally being free and being a human being with Shahid, and I think we have great chemistry.
We have kick-ass chemistry.
Kick-ass chemistry.
Fucking sexy chemistry.
Oh, there you go. Rashmika said it.
Hello Rashmika ji, यहाँ पे.
She was feeling so bad for so many days. I was like, चल मैं भी आ जाता हूँ.
Hello Rashmika ji, यहाँ पे, just आपकी यहाँ पे. Firstly,
Sorry,
congratulations.
one second, she didn't answer a part of the question.
This question, can I? So, I definitely found it extremely easy, and I'll tell you how, and I'll tell you why. Yeah, sir, you have
Sir,
that
आपने
spelling, but I'll
question
give you the
पूछा,
answer,
answer तो
guys,
सुन लो.
anyways.
कहाँ गए? आधा question खत्म हुआ है. He's gone.
Okay, chalo, should we? I just had a great time working with Shahid because, you know, between action and a cut, you normally have to say what the lines are written. But somewhere Shahid and I, after the cut would happen and they would still roll, there would be these little improv sort of lines and little, you know, actions that we would do, which I felt we were truly in the character, and it was genuinely, it was those bits which was really special for me, because you don't get that with a lot of co-actors, you know, you like...
And me, special for me as well, very much.
I feel like those are extremely, as in, if we were to release a extended cut, you would probably see, but I don't know how much is there in the film, but
There is
that would
another
happen.
cut that Homie wants to do. I think this is the moment for you to announce it so it happens.
We'll be doing an extended cut which will be Cocktail 3 after this. And that will definitely be an adult film.
Hello. Hi. I have to say I have to say that a film like Cocktail or any other Maddox film cannot be complete without its music, and I think music plays a character in itself for a film like this. So Preetham sir, I have to ask, we asked about the actors about their preparation, but for you, how was it to kind of prepare and process the whole process that you underwent to create music for this film?
Okay, Cocktail 1 has been a very, very special memory for me. You know, it was a very important movie, and we had a lot of fun. And Gaane bhi, you have given a lot of love. The audience has given a lot of love to Cocktail 1 album. Me as a person have changed in the last 10-12 years. Now more than the finality, I look at the journey. Cocktail 2 ka journey has been one of the most amazing journey of my life. I have really enjoyed working on the film because Dinu, Homie, and everybody has been so much fun. We have gone to Sicily, I've enjoyed cast here, and I'm very thankful. I don't know the finality or whatever. I've really enjoyed the journey, and we have given our heart and soul to this soundtrack, and
It's too much pressure. I must say, it is so much pressure.
Yeah,
after, you know, the nostalgia of something that is successful is much bigger than what it was at that time. Like, I'll give you my example. Like a film like Jab We Met, at that time it did well, but it just lived on and became bigger.
Of course,
so it's too much pressure when you have to make a second album after the first one was so iconic, and you've done an insanely good job.
I don't take
Insanely
that
good
pressure
job.
actually. Stop taking that pressure.
No, but you killed it. It's not easy.
The whole thing is also flavor-wise, Cocktail 1 and Cocktail 2 flavor-wise as a movie. Because कोई भी movie अगर start करो, you first read the script. And this is love sir के लिए एकदम love के लिए this has another flavor. So Cocktail 1 के साथ तो compare करना it's not at all, because Cocktail 1 was another film. It took long time to grow. The music got 12 saal to grow, abhi whatever, wherever it is. Cocktail 2, I think we have done our best work. Let's see what it is up to you now to enjoy the film, enjoy the music, and hope you like it.
If I may say so myself, that I feel that Cocktail defined between 2010 and 2020 music. This will define 20 to 30 because Dada has given everything to it.
Thank you so much, everyone, guys. That's
Photo. Correct. Photo.
wait, Dinesh sir, should we watch
Yes.
the song first?
No, first photo. बोला था मैंने पहले photo.
हो गया तो आ जाओ।
अरे चाचा बैठो ना नीचे यार। Thank you.